This road's not too bad.
Well, I've got this one closed.
Oh, you got that one closed too?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, I see it right there. Road closed.
Closed all
So that's what you do is you just put signs up and everything? That's cool.
signs up. Wow.
Oh, wow. You're grading and everything too, eh? That's a lot of job. Good job, though. With the roads too, eh? Or you have to fill in all these potholes and stuff?
That's what we
Yeah.
use the grader for.
Ah. That nice mountain over there.
That's Casey Mountain.
That's Casey Mountain?
Yep. We're
Ooh.
going to be going on around there.
That's awesome. Okay. That's neat.